Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, I'm back to show you one of the kit that I created. Actually is in 2020. Yeah, but I just because of busy, I really forget to do the video to show you all. And actually I already sell a couple of this kit out. And yeah, this kit is Marie Antoinette with the violin journal kit. And actually at first I didn't plan to do this kit for sale because of request by couples of ladies in the groups to request me to do this kit. So yeah, this is actually is for myself. It's authored paper doll Marie Antoinette with the violin paper journal. And this is the, and actually I have the video to show you this before. This is one of the wine box that I collected. Yeah, open up, author inside, and I put my journal inside. This is the paper doll that I authored in the blue color. Okay, so yeah, I show you again this for the journal. And for the kit, yeah, you receive all this in the kit here. So yeah, that's it. Make the for this kit is some of the items that I show you in this with different cost. This is because at first I mentioned that I didn't plan to sell this kit, so I what some of the items you won't get from the kit because I will change another items in the kit. Okay, and all this is my handmade. I mean, yeah. I will make all this cherub. So you for the kit you will get this one, all these pictures here. I will put the link below the description box to show you the exactly all the details for this kit. I mean the journal that I show you from the video. This is okay. For this kit that I created, I made two different colors here. You can see one is the blue and another one is the pink. So for the kit you will get different colors of the some of the items. You get different colors to match. I'll show you the blue kit first. This is the author paper doll with the violin. So gorgeous. And after this with the dress, with the all this to that, and make this violin. So you can alter. And for the kit, you will get this 3D like a drawer box. You have to assemble by your own. You can cause I will ship it like this flat cause to save postage. So you get this one. So very easy to make this box. This is like a 3D drawer box, so you can put your put your violin journal inside this box. The size is fit. Okay, so you also got the paper to alter your box. Later I will show you. Okay, for the blue kit you will get all this blue. This one for you to alter your box. You get two different to each of the pattern. Okay, and all this is the violin that I printed, so you can use this to make your the violin journal. So for the you can see this is the flower is the left hand side and this one is the right. So you have to fussy cut out and glue them together, so both side the journal you get the same pattern. So all together you will have four different pattern. This is another pattern. Okay, this one is another one. Both also have the left and right side, so you have to glue them together to get the page. Okay, different this one. Okay, and you also have this one. This is called bow. To put here, just like so. Okay, so you can alter your violin journal and all the images here, and the tag and tie card. I print this out here. Okay, this one I showed you before. All this is the blue, yeah, for the blue kit. And for the blue kit, the lace is different than applique. Some of the appliques is blue, and the flower also blue, and the lace is blue and white. As others item is same, just the lace and some of this flower is blue. And for the pink kit is, show you what the difference for the pink kit. Sorry, I'm back. Yeah, for the pink kit, the lace, eyelet lace with the pink and white also, and the flower. This one you can see the difference of the, just now I show you the blue. So you get this for the blue kit, you get the blue. For the pink kit, you get the pink, and apricot is also different. Yeah, other item all the same, but just 3 items will get the different colors. Okay, so yeah, this is the blue kit, and this you, and let me just show you. Okay, take that and show you. Okay, and all this you can first cut out to alter your book, the words, and the pink kit, this eyelet lace, and yeah, enough for you to alter your book. And the blue one, you get the blue applique, and this one is the pink. Okay, so, and all this blue and pink kit also will get the same. This one you can cut this. Yeah, you will have quite many here, and I already put all the pearl here. Okay, and applique, this is the pink one, and for the blue you get the blue, and this tiny dangle flower. Also, this is the pink kit, you get the pink, and the blue one you get the focus. Okay, so that's it, and get 2 of these organza, same blue and pink kit also will get the same color, and the rain and this flower. So all this item for you to alter your violin, and this for you to make here. Okay, all this is the item, so I won't show you the blue one because most of the item will be the same. And also you will get the on this here, this one, let me just show you. This one, and another one is and this one. Okay, and also yeah, cause I already run up some of the, let me just say, check it. Let me just show you. Okay, okay, you also will have this, and also you, yeah, another one is, let me for this, and this one I have to make again because I already run out of this. So you get this one, this one don't have, the hard one don't have. Yeah, this one I already show you, and some more others I didn't put in the Violin. So but so you get this one. Yeah, I didn't put in my book, but you get this also. Okay, so all these items you will get in the kit. So yeah, who interested, you have to let me know. But yeah, the postage still the standard shipping, the like last time, I still have not back to service yet. Now still, yeah, the postage is quite because it's mailed by express mail, and the charges is triple expensive, compared with last time. So you will get the, yeah, anyway, if you are interested, just message to me. I will let you know how much for the shipping, if you happy to pay for it. Yeah, so you can get the kit. If you want to wait, yeah, I also don't know when the standard shipping will back to service, because some of the members still waiting, but some of the members are willing to pay the expensive postage. So yeah, I already ship up some of the kit to those who willing to pay the expensive shipping. This is the box. Okay, yeah, anyway, just let me know if you're interested the kit, so I will check for you how much you should to pay for the postage. Okay, and I believe, yeah, if you combine two kits, you will get cheaper shipping, because one of the members that asked for to get the two kits, and because now I cannot use the envelope like last time. The flexi bag is quite cheap postage, but now I have to wrap like so to ship up the package. No, cannot ship with the box. If with the box, there we count the box, the size, the dimension is much. You have to pay much more, yeah, expenses for the postage. But if I wrap like so, you will get the cheaper. This is two kits combined in one package. I believe you will get cheaper postage. This is one of my latest kit. I will show you in another video. If you interested, I will combine the shipping and check for you how much you have to pay for the postage. Okay. Yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel again, and being so long didn't share any project with you all. Anyway, hope you all stay safe, and take care, and God bless, and love you all.